This is the broken down components of an atmospheric water heater. This is the base of the water heater. The tank sits on top of this. Inside of here is the burner compartment. The burners come in here and sit right here in the middle. The glass vial that everybody talks about, the anti-explosion device, is below this sheet metal clip right here, which you remove to get to the glass dial that spins out. This is the burner assembly. Consists of pilot assembly, as well as all your gas supply tubes and pilot tubes. This sits inside the unit like this in order to run. The gas valve, where all the assembly is attached to. It is a thermostatic gas valve. Picks up its temperature from this probe. Do not remove the plastic on the probe. It's there to protect the probe itself. Basic gas valve, we've been using it for years. On, off with the pilot. We'll have a spark igniter as well. Temperature and pressure relief valve. Designed to go off at 150 pounds or 220 degrees. The only safety built into this system to prevent it from becoming a bomb. These are your nipples that go into the top of the tank where you attach your incoming water and outgoing water going into your home. Brass drain valve, bottom of the tank, to drain your tank, service your tank, as well as flush your tank. This is an exhaust gas vent diverter. This is a big purpose of the water heater. If the vent gases go out too fast, it'll never warm the water. The design of this is to slow down the vent gases to get the heat into the water.